Hi, my name is Sebastian. I reached out to Basement Systems USA when I was in great need of finishing my basement. It was completely unfinished, very dark, and I was able to have them come out and install 4 windows, 3 normal size and 1 double window in the basement, which really made a world of a difference. It doesn't feel like a basement anymore. It really feels just like a normal apartment with plenty of light. So that was excellent. And also, they came out and helped me with the plumbing. I had no plumbing whatsoever down there, so they helped dig out trenches and run pipes all around to facilitate putting in a bathroom and a kitchen. So yes, I would really recommend Basement Systems USA for anyone that's looking to have work done in their basement. Thank you.